Our eyes, often called the windows to the soul, reveal much more than just our emotions. They are a gateway to understanding our inner world and the complexities of our being. The color of our eyes, a captivating feature of human diversity, can offer intriguing insights into our personalities and health. Each hue, from the deepest brown to the lightest blue, tells a story about who we are and where we come from. From the icy blue of a glacier to the warm brown of fertile earth, each eye color carries a unique story, shaped by genetics and influenced by cultural perceptions. These colors are not just random, they are a blend of our ancestral heritage and the environment we live in. Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating link between eye color, personality, health, and cultural interpretations. We will uncover how these elements intertwine to create the beautiful tapestry of human diversity. We will delve into the science behind eye color determination, examining the role of melanin and genetic inheritance. Understanding these factors can help us appreciate the complexity behind the simple act of looking into someone's eyes. We will also uncover the intriguing connections between eye color and certain personality traits, backed by scientific research. Studies have shown that eye color can be linked to specific behavioral tendencies and even certain health conditions. Finally, we will travel the globe to understand how different cultures perceive eye color and its impact on social dynamics. From myths and legends to modern-day beliefs, eye color has always played a significant role in shaping cultural identities and social interactions. Scientists have long been fascinated by the connection between physical traits and personality. Recent studies have explored the intriguing link between eye color and specific behavioral patterns. While not definitive predictors, these studies suggest that people with certain eye colors may share common personality tendencies. For instance, some studies suggest that individuals with blue eyes may exhibit higher levels of competitiveness. This finding could be linked to evolutionary factors, as blue eyes are a relatively recent mutation. In contrast, people with brown eyes are often perceived as more trustworthy and agreeable. This perception might be attributed to the fact that brown is the most common eye color globally, creating a sense of familiarity. The captivating hues of our eyes are a testament to the power of genetics. Eye color is determined by the amount and type of melanin, a pigment produced by specialized cells called melanocytes present in the iris. This melanin production is orchestrated by multiple genes, each carrying specific instructions for eye color inheritance. The two main genes involved in eye color determination are HERK2 and OCA2. These genes come in different versions, known as alleles, with each parent contributing one allele to their offspring. The combination of these alleles determines the amount of melanin produced in the iris, ultimately dictating eye color. Brown eyes result from high melanin levels, while blue eyes indicate lower melanin concentrations. Melanin, the pigment responsible for eye, skin, and hair color, plays a crucial role in determining eye color variations. Produced by melanocytes in the iris, melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting the eyes from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The amount and distribution of melanin within the iris create the mesmerizing spectrum of eye colors we observe. High melanin concentrations result in brown eyes, effectively absorbing and scattering light, giving the iris a darker appearance. Lower melanin levels, on the other hand, allow more light to scatter, leading to shades of blue, green, or hazel. The interplay of light scattering and melanin absorption creates the unique beauty and diversity of human eye color. Section 5. Beyond the surface eye color and health indicators, beyond their aesthetic appeal, our eyes can also provide valuable insights into our overall health. The color of our eyes, often admired for its beauty, holds more significance than we might realize. Eye color, in particular, can serve as an indicator of an individual's susceptibility to certain health conditions. This fascinating connection between eye color and health is a subject of ongoing research and interest in the medical community. While not foolproof predictors, these correlations can offer valuable information for early detection and preventative measures. Understanding these links can empower individuals to take proactive steps in managing their health. For example, people with lighter eye colors, such as blue or green, may be more sensitive to sunlight and have an increased risk of age-related macular degeneration. This condition can lead to vision loss if not addressed early. This increased sensitivity is attributed to lower melanin levels in the iris, which provides less protection against UV damage. wearing UV protective eyewear can help mitigate this risk. Conversely, individuals with darker eye colors may be more prone to certain types of cataracts. Regular eye checkups and protective measures can help manage these risks effectively. Section 6. Blue eyes, a genetic quirk with fascinating origins. Blue eyes, a captivating feature in many populations, are a relatively recent phenomenon in human evolutionary history. This striking trait arose from a genetic mutation that occurred around 6,000 to 10,000 years ago. Originating near the Black Sea, this mutation spread rapidly throughout Europe, becoming a defining characteristic of many European populations. Scientists believe this mutation affected the OCA2 gene, responsible for melanin production in the iris. This mutation resulted in reduced melanin levels, leading to the appearance of blue eyes. Interestingly, all blue-eyed individuals share a common ancestor, highlighting the interconnectedness of human ancestry. Section 7. Brown eyes, the dominant hue of humanity. Brown, the most prevalent eye color globally, reigns as the dominant hue of humanity. This dominance stems from the high melanin content in brown eyes, which is determined by a dominant allele of the eye color genes. This means that even if an individual inherits one allele for brown eyes and one for another color, brown will prevail as the expressed trait. This prevalence of brown eyes is not limited to a specific geographic region or ethnicity. From the indigenous populations of Africa to the inhabitants of East Asia, brown eyes grace the faces of people from all walks of life, reflecting the shared heritage of our species. Section 8. Green eyes, a rare and enigmatic shade. Green, the rarest eye color, holds a certain mystique, often associated with creativity and mystery. This captivating hue results from a delicate balance between melanin production and light scattering within the iris. Green eyes typically have moderate levels of melanin, with a slight yellowish pigment known as lipochrome, contributing to their distinctive color. While the exact genetic mechanisms behind green eyes are still being unraveled, it is thought to involve a combination of alleles from both the HERK2 and OCA2 genes. The interplay of these alleles, along with other genetic and environmental factors, contributes to the mesmerizing allure of green eyes. Section 9. Cultural perceptions. Eye color through different lenses. Eye color, a prominent facial feature, has long been a subject of fascination and interpretation across various cultures. Throughout history, different societies have attributed specific meanings and beliefs to certain eye colors, influencing social perceptions and interactions. These cultural interpretations often reflect the values, beliefs, and historical experiences of a particular community. In some cultures, blue eyes have been associated with beauty and purity. For instance, in ancient Greece, blue eyes were revered and often depicted in mythology as a symbol of divinity. In contrast, brown eyes, being the most common, have often been associated with warmth, trustworthiness, and dependability. Section 10. The power of perception. How eye color shapes interactions. Whether consciously or unconsciously, we tend to make snap judgments about individuals based on their physical appearance, and eye color is no exception. These judgments, often rooted in cultural stereotypes or personal biases, can influence our interactions and shape our perceptions of others. While it's essential to recognize that eye color is merely a physical trait and should not define an individual's character, understanding these societal perceptions can help us navigate social dynamics more effectively. By acknowledging and challenging our own biases, we can foster greater understanding and appreciation for the diversity of human experience. Section 11. Conclusion. Appreciating the spectrum of humanity. From the icy blue of a glacier to the warm brown of fertile earth, the captivating hues of our eyes reflect the beauty and diversity of the human experience. Each eye color tells a unique story, a narrative woven through generations. Shaped by genetics, influenced by cultural perceptions, and linked to intriguing personality traits, eye color offers a fascinating glimpse into the complexities of human nature. It is a small window into the vast tapestry of our identities. As we have explored the science, history, and cultural significance of eye color, let us remember that it is just one facet of our multifaceted identities. Our eyes may be the windows to our souls, but they are also mirrors reflecting our shared humanity. Embracing the spectrum of human variation, including the mesmerizing array of eye colors, enriches our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. It reminds us that diversity is not just to be acknowledged, but celebrated. Let us celebrate the beauty of our differences and recognize the shared humanity that binds us all. In our differences we find strength, unity, and a deeper connection to one another.